Hi guys, and welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at the DJI Pocket 3 wide angle lens that comes as part of the Pocket 3 creator combo. We're going to see whether it's actually worth picking up at all separately, or whether you're deciding about the creator combo, whether this wide angle lens actually makes the combo good or not if you don't think about any of the other components. Alright, let's get straight into it. So the DJI Pocket lens is actually labeled at 0.75 and 15 millimeters. So we should get a 1.25 a greater angle of view than we would have compared to without the wide angle lens. Okay, so as with all the Pocket 3 lenses, it has the two magnetics bits on the left and right here, so just be a case of popping it directly onto the Pocket 3. So you just simply slip it onto the Pocket 3 as so, and then as simple as that, it's then held on with magnets, and we're ready to go. Alright, so I'm just going to frame up the shots here. I'm just going to tilt the angle up a little bit just to get the shot of my Abbey in the background here. And I'm just going to do a record and see what the image looks like and roughly where the position is on the left hand side or the right hand side. And now let's just take off the wide angle lens, and we can see if we can see the difference between whether we have the wide angle lens on or not. And let's now put the wide angle lens back on again. And let's take another version to it taken off. Now, I'm not sure about you, but I couldn't say I see a massive difference between with or without the wide angle. There is a little bit of extra distance between the left and right, but nothing I would say considerable. But that's probably not surprising because it's only a 0.75 wide angle lens. Let me just put it the right way up so you can see the writing. So it's only a 25% extra compared to maybe a wide angle lens on a GoPro. So we shouldn't be expecting too much out of this lens. As I said, it's only a 25% wide angle. So you have to decide whether you actually think this lens is worth it or not based on your own personal circumstances. Now, it may be actually worth it for vlogging situations rather than doing things like scenes that I'll have here. Now, I might be doing a separate video if you're interested to see how it actually looks in a sort of vlogging situation. Well, as always, if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and, of course, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Take care, and I'll see you soon.